Hello everyone. Welcome to the lecture of Computer Network. Myself Dr. Swarupa, Associate Professor of CSC Department, Aditya Engineering College. In this class, let us discuss about the topic of network topology. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to learn various types of network topologies and advantages and disadvantages of each topology. So basically a topology is nothing but which is a structure of a network. So topology defines the structure of the network and it will tell us how various components are interconnected each other so that they can be able to communicate. So we can understand like a topology means a physical layout, arrangement of the nodes of a computer network. See, if you observe here, different computers are sitting and this is definitely requires some kind of topology connectivity. So the arrangement should be done in such a way how the nodes are each other can communicate effectively. So this is what a topology. A topology defines the structure. A topology defines the layout and it guides us how to arrange the nodes of a computer network. So topology can be physical topology or a logical topology. A physical topology, how physically systems are connected together, configured together to share the data. And also logically also the systems can be connected. For example, these two systems are in first floor, these three are in second floor. So how connection can be established logically to share the data between the various computers. So a topology can be a physical and also can be a logical. And let us see various types of topologies which are used in computer networks. There are five different topologies now we are discussing as part of network topologies. The first one is bus topology, ring topology, star, mesh, and hybrid topology. Firstly, in the bus topology, if you look at here in this diagram, there is existing a cable. To this cable, in each either side, the systems are connected in this manner. So whenever a signal is containing the address of intended receiving machine, travels a source machine from the source machine in both directions and to all machines connected to this bus cable. So this is goes through until it finds a intended receiver. So all the data transmitted between the nodes in this network is transmitted over a common transmission medium and is able to receive it by the all the nodes in the network simultaneously. So this is what a bus topology. The physical layout of bus topology is just like the shown in this figure. So there are some advantages and few of problems also there using of bus topology. So only one wire is required, very less expensive, and physically arrangement of this kind of bus topology is very easy. And for smaller networks or temporary networks, it is well suited. And even though some node, for example, here node A is failure. So still this is not going to affect to the other nodes. These are the advantages of bus topology. And coming to the problems, so it is not redundant. So obviously it is not fault tolerant. Some fault is happened. So some problem is occurred in the bus topology. So the data packet has been lost. So there is no redundancy duplication, so that we never be possible to retransmit or to some kind of arrangement to receive the packet. And of course this cable length is limited, so it cannot suitable for larger type of networks, and there is no security also. These are the disadvantages of bus topology. And the next topology is ring topology. So the ring topology, as the name it indicates, if you observe in this figure, so this ring topology is connecting different types of nodes in a layout of ring. So here you can understand like it is similar to bus topology, but there is formed a kind of closed loop. So this is what actually a peer-to-peer LAN topology. So if you observe, every node is having two connections, one of each of its nearest neighbors. So this node is having, this is one neighbor and this is another neighbor. Similarly, for any node, you can observe nearest neighbors are two. Two connections are maintaining. And in this ring topology, the data transportation is done obviously in unique direction, that is to in unidirectional. So sending the packet or receiving the data packet takes place with help of the token. So every data packet is issued with a token. In such a way, the data transportation is done in ring topology. So advantages and disadvantages of ring topology here. So in this ring topology, it is performs better than a bus topology. It can causes a bottleneck due to the weak links. A bottleneck is nothing but this is some kind of interruption. So that may causes sometimes due to weak links. So and all nodes with equal access. That is actually advantages of ring topology. And coming to the disadvantages, as we discussed already, this is a unidirectional. It is supporting for data transportation. So in this ring topology, because of unidirectional, single point of failure, definitely it is affecting the whole network. If the load is increases, the network performance is going to be decreases, and also there is no security in this ring topology. And the next one is star topology. The physical layout, structure of the nodes are connected in the manner of a star. So each node is connected with this central node. This central node is only we are calling as a hub, or you can also call as a switch. So in the star topology, completely this is depending on a centralized node management. So this is what taking care with the all other nodes, and all the traffic also must be passing through this hub only. And here it is very easy to implement and also easy to design. Centralized administration is there to take care each and every node which is connecting to this, and scalable. But even still, single point of failure affecting the whole the network, and bottlenecks will be there due to overloaded the centralized switch or hub. So because of this switch, this is what increases this layout a little bit cost. And this next one is mesh topology. Each node is directly connected to each of other node. So every node is connecting with the every other node. That is what a mesh topology. It is fault tolerant and also it is reliable. But still there is some problems, issues with the broadcasting messages. It is too expensive, and also it is not practically possible in the case of larger networks. And coming to the last one, hybrid topology. So in this topology, you can allow more than one of the topologies like bus topology, ring topology, mesh topology, or any other kind of two or more topologies. If you are connecting, this is what hybrid topology. This is a very good option, but still it is very complex structure, and it is practically implementation is too much difficult here. And by the end of the lecture, I think you students have learned regarding various network topologies like bus, ring, star, mesh and hybrid, and advantages and disadvantages of each and every topology. Thank you.